Hi, here we are at the Italiano Concourse with Family Classic Cars.
Up in Monterey, one of the best shows anywhere, any place. Just to see of Ferraris up there, see of everything Italian. It's a wonderful event.
Hi, this is Barnaby at Family Classic Cars. Here we are at the fabulous Concorso Italiano. This has to draw every major car collector aficionado in the world that can get here.
This is the place to come to see anything Italian. All the cars that you can think of, Maserati, Lancia, Lamborghini, Alfa Romeo, Ferrari of course. Anything Italian is here. And probably in the neighborhood of 1,500 cars have shown up. This year we became the participating sponsors at Family Classic Cars this year. And so we brought the three cars that you see here in front of you, 1964 Ferrari Lusso, 1965 275 GTB short nose, and a 1962 Ferrari GTO. This is without a doubt the highlight of the year for Italian cars. Anything Italian, this is the place you want to be.
It's a gorgeous car. I've always loved Sprint Special. It's a really special high-speed touring car, right?
I appreciate the room. It's very nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you for bringing this car here. We've got some stuff for you. It's a gorgeous car. Very pretty rear end, the way the lights are integrated. Oh, originally sold in Paris. How long have you had it?
4 years.
What caused you to buy this particular Bora?
Because it was a European model and it was available up in your area.
What do you like the very best about this car?
I like the performance and I like the look.
Right, I love this thing, you know, the contrast. When's my Bora coming? Well, this may be my Bora. We'll talk later. You own the car. Where did you drive this car in Tijuana? Just around it with my dad's car. Now, how long has it been in this condition?
I had it redone.
Driving gloves. Greg Mitchell driving a Euro S, not an SV, but an S. Can you explain the difference?
And obviously presenter of all of the awards to these Best of Marks. And I'd like to announce the Best of Show for Concorso Italiano 2006. And it's the 1967 Bizzarini Strada, owned by Gerhard Erkstein, Rancho Santa Fe, California. And he's owned it for 2 years, so...
There you go.
That's our Best of Show.
Fabulous event. I hope you've enjoyed it, and come and see us at Family Classic Cars.